What's the meaning of appear? Appear. Appear.
Appear. Appear. The word appear refers to something coming into sight or becoming visible. It can also mean to seem or give the impression of being a certain way or having a particular quality. When someone or something appears, they become present or noticeable. This can be in a physical sense or in a more abstract sense, such as an idea or emotion appearing in someone's mind. Overall, the term appear denotes the act of making oneself or something else known, often through a visual or cognitive experience.